Okay, good morning, year 11s.
Morning, Mr. Smith.
Start with our prayer, please. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Okay, you start here. And we're going to fill in our PLC this morning. Is on solving equations with unknowns on both sides. Off you go, please. Okay folks, I'll give you a minute to look over your answers, make sure you have everything done right, make sure you have your answers underlined because you're going to switch with your partner. We're going to have a peer assessment in about a minute. Everyone got it marked? Okay, remember when I call out the person's name, you give me their score. If you've been marked in their book, you give me their score. So this is solving equations with unknowns on both sides. What did Emmanuel get this time, Blaine or Sweeney? 8 out of 10. Next, Nancy Castle. 9 out of 10. Very good. Amy Granger. Thanks, Marcel.
8.
Molly. 3. Molly is at 3. James Joseph. 3 as well. Okay, red lights there, unfortunately, guys. Septimus. 9. Thank you. Marcel.
8.
8. Then we have Roisin. 9. Hannah. 3. Jack Skinner. 9. Okay. You see the lights you got yourself, guys? Having a look there at the work you done. Okay, so we got a green light. Good. We got an amber. There's will be no ambers today, no yellows. But the people in the red, that's showing me you really have to revise. Like James, Molly, Hannah, and Rian. 3 is not acceptable now. We've spent 2. Right? You should have peer assessed by your name and have a nice common name for them. Good. That's a good comment there. Can I see that one there, Ria? Thanks.
I find it motivational because it makes you work harder and it gives you more confidence.
The PLC is really good because when you get a red light, it shows what you've got to work harder to focus on.
I find the PLC really motivational because it helps me focus on myself individually so I know where I need to be, and also it helps me when I see the red lights, I can push myself more so I can get the green to be top of the class.
I think the PLC is really good because it helps you have more motivation and determination to know that you should get a green light.
It's because the PLC has helped me to go away and set my own targets to push me to get better.
I think the PLC is good because it's good to know where we are before the exam and what we need
I feel it's a good workout plan because I know where I am and I know where I need to go and revise.
I think the PLC is good because it can show like your full potential and like you get that 10 out of 10 happy face when you leave the classroom.
I think the PLC is good because the ones I've got red on is the ones that I'm going to have to revise on, and the green ones are the ones I've already achieved. So it'd be good to know what I've got to learn and what I'm okay on.
Because it encourages me to do well in my class and exams, and also for when I get a red light on my test, it encourages me to revise more.
I got 7 out of 10 in the 10 starter question test, and I feel that I can get 10 out of 10 because most people in the class, they revise well, and I feel that I can do the same.
I think it's a good idea because when your teacher brings it up in front of the class and you've got a red light next to your name, it's embarrassing to the rest of the class, so it pushes you to work harder.
My average score is low because I'm not in a lot, but when I get green, it makes me confident. When I get red, it makes me want to work harder. So
when I get a green, I feel proud of myself, and that it makes me happy. But if it's not 10 out of 10, I'll have to do something to make it 10 out of 10. So I'll push myself and focus and stuff. But if I get like a red, for example, that I get a 3 and I'm upset with it, it will help me to know what I have to revise on, and it will motivate me to push myself more and try and get higher.